Our learning objective today is to pair sentences with shapes to construct a non-chronological report. Today we'll be recapping finding the shape. We'll be looking at the structure and parts of a non-chronological report. Can you match the shapes with the sentences? Yesterday we were introduced to some new symbols for labeling the shapes to a text. We will use these symbols again today. We will begin by reading the non-chronological text. The Homo sapien. Over many years, scientists have questioned what sets humans apart from other mammals and wondered where humans came from. What unique features do we have which makes us human? We know that Homo sapiens evolved in Africa around 150,000 years ago, but have we adapted over time? 2 feet is fab. Marking us out from almost all other animals is our ability to comfortably stand on 2 feet for extended periods of time. This ability came about through a series of changes to our skeleton, affecting our cranial base, our spine, pelvis, femur, knees, and feet. Like all mammals, humans are vertebrates and have an endoskeleton, a skeleton on the inside of the body. When we grow, our skeleton grows with us. The human skeleton is light, has strong weight-bearing properties to stop us from becoming a jelly on the ground, and protects our vital organs such as our heart and lungs. Kapow! Fascinating. The human backbone is made up of 33 interlocking bones called vertebrae. That's where the name vertebrate comes from, backbone. And then we have a glossary at the top of the corner of the top of the screen. Endoskeleton, a skeleton on the inside of the body. Homo sapiens, the scientific name for human species. Mammals, animals that are warm-blooded with hair or fur. Tendon, a cord or tissue that attaches the end of a muscle to a bone. Vertebrates, an animal with a backbone. The major groups include fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Musclemates. In order to move parts of our skeleton, we need our friend, muscles. Similarly to other animals with an endoskeleton, we use the skeletal muscles attached to the bones by tendons to help us move. So the walking human moves a joint by contracting one muscle, while the other muscle relaxes and becomes longer. Easy. Bones, bones, bones. If you think bones are useful, then you'll be pleased to know that you have lots of them. In fact, there are over 200 bones in the human body. Long ones, small ones, light ones, and one that isn't connected to any other. Each of our hands contain 27 individual bones which we use to firmly grab, carefully pick, and hold things up with such mastery that our skill is second to none. Applause. Practice. Have you ever tried cutting an apple, scraping a carrot, or molding plasticine? Well, around 300,000 years ago, early humans were beginning to hone these skills shaping stone from flint. They would strike the flakes of flint and meticulously turn them into tools for specific purposes such as cutting, scraping, piercing, and carving. Human facts. Coupled with an increased intelligence, our adaptability at manipulating tools with our hands has enabled us to have an incredible influence over the world around us. Did you know Homo sapien means wise man? However, some scientists believe that our physical abilities are no greater than any other animal on earth, and what really makes us distinct and sets us apart from the rest of the animal kingdom is our ability to work together to be successful. We need to use these symbols to identify the shapes of a non-chronological text. Can you find all the shapes? Our task today will involve matching shapes with sentences from our text. Read carefully and refer to the next 3 slides to complete your task. Task. Now match the symbol with the correct sentence from the text. There are 9 to match. Can you refer to the text to find the correct shapes and sentences? Using your paper or book, write out each shape with the sentences on the right of your screen. Select the right one, write it out as neatly as you can. Now mark your work. Did you match correctly? Have you found all of the correct shapes, linking them with the correct sentences or correct parts from the text? Well done if you did. Remember, take a picture and post it on Edmodo. Well done. Remember to post your work online so we can mark it. Well done, everyone.